Welcome back to Direct to Draw. I'm so excited you're here today because we're about to sketch someone fiery and fierce. Say hello to Dexter Dragosaurus. In this video, I'll guide you step by step as we bring Dexter to life, from his sharp little fangs and spiky horns all the way to his bold wings and dino dragon tail. So grab your paper, your favorite pencil or marker, and maybe some colors for later. Let's get started and draw Dexter Dragosaurus together. First, we start with the eyes. Draw a small curved line on the left side of our paper. Now draw over the curved line again to make it thicker. Next is to connect the curved line with another smaller curved line at the bottom. Now we draw the iris. Draw a C shape inside the eyes and draw it on the right corner. Make sure to connect the C shape from the top curve and bottom curve. And then we shade in the iris to create the eyes. Next, we do exactly the same drawing on the right side, but this time the iris will be drawn on the left corner of the eye. The eyes are done. Next, we draw the eyebrows. Above the left eye, draw an upside-down U and make the outer end of the U shape a little longer. Draw the same shape for the right eye. Next is the ears. Connecting from the eyebrows, draw a leaf-like shape like this, and inside it draw a small curved line on top. Draw the exact shape on the right side too. Next is the face. Connecting from the left ear, draw a curved line going down. From the end of the curved line, draw a small straight line going to the right. Draw the same shapes on the right side ear, but going to the left. Connect both ends of the straight lines with a small curve to make the chin. Then draw a curved line connecting from this part of the eyebrows to make the head. Now we draw the mouth. Draw a wide curved line across the face. Draw two small curves at both ends of the mouth for the smile. Then we draw his fangs. Draw two small V shapes on the left and right side of the mouth, and then draw a bigger upside-down V shape near the right end of the mouth for the bigger fang. Next is the nose. Draw a smaller curve above the mouth. Then draw two tiny curves just below the nose to make the nostrils. Next is the horns. Draw curved lines going up connecting from the eyebrow like this, and then curved lines going down connecting to the ears on both sides. To complete the horns, we then draw three curved lines going across on each horn. We finished the face, now we draw the body. Draw slightly curved lines going down, connecting from both sides of the cheeks. Now the arms. Draw slightly curved lines going down, connecting from both the last lines we drew. Then draw zigzag lines going in, connecting from both the arms to form the fingers. In between the zigzag lines on both sides, draw two little V shapes for the fingers. Near the arm, draw long curved lines going down on both sides to make the body. Make sure it connects with the zigzag lines like this. Draw small curves going down, connecting from both sides of the stomach like this. Draw another two curved lines on the inside like this to complete the leg. Draw straight lines connecting the legs on both sides like this. On the bottom of each leg, draw two small curved lines going down to form the feet. And for the toes, draw a wide M shape connecting from the curves on each foot. Then we draw a wide curved line across connecting from both legs. We're done with the body. Now we add the details. Draw long, slightly S-like lines from the face connecting to the leg part on both sides like this. Draw multiple curved lines across the body from top to bottom. Now we draw the wings. Connecting from behind both arms, draw an upside-down V like this and make the point of the V curved. Draw the same smaller shape on the inside of both the wings. Then lastly, we draw two lines going down on the inside of both of the wings. We finished drawing Dexter! Time to color him! Red for the body and face. Yellow for the stomach. The inner part of the wings is orange. A pale yellow for the horns and white for the eyes and fangs.
If you had fun drawing with us, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss a new episode of Direct to Draw. See you in the next video.